How to move a copy of an item in Monday.com from one board to another. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to move a copy of an item in Monday.com from one board to another. So first you can open your Monday.com dashboard and then go to your left side to choose the board you want to copy. Let's say I'm gonna choose this board. And as you can see, this is my board and this is the item. So I'm gonna set up a copy first by click check mark here in task 1, and then in the bottom you can just click duplicate, and there are two options: duplicate without updates and duplicate with updates. We're gonna choose with updates, and after you create a copy from the task 1, you can check mark again from the to the task 1 copy, and then go to this option move to. You can click it, then you can choose to move to group or to board. We're gonna choose move to board for this case. And then you can choose the board you want to move to. Let's say I'm gonna choose to this board task, and then you can choose if you want to put it on the group team 1 or team 2. I'm gonna choose team 2. And then in this page, you can choose the items. Let's say the owner, you can move it to person. It's a match, and you can uh, change it or whatever you want. If you think it's good, you can just click move item, and then it's successful. You can check the board, this one, and it's moved. Task one copy, and it's done. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.